Let's now talk about the different process commandlets that exist to manage Windows processes. I know in the real world a lot of people will open up Task Manager to stop and start new processes. That is not the most efficient way because it requires quite a bit of clicking through an interface. I personally prefer to use PowerShell to start and stop processes when I need to. That is where these process commandlets come into play. You will notice that there is a debug process commandlet which will actually attach a debugger. You don't use it that frequently. The main ones that you will see that you work with in this are get process, start process, and stop process. They do exactly what their names say. There's also a wait process commandlet. This commandlet is quite interesting in the fact that it will wait until a process is stopped before it continues on with a script or allows you to type input to the console. This is something you may use frequently when you are writing a script to wait for a process to complete. Let's go ahead and let's jump right into the demo on working with process commandlets. In this demonstration, we will open up Windows PowerShell on DC1. Let's start a process. So let's run start-process, and we have to specify the file path of where this process exists. We are going to launch Notepad, which is under the Windows directory under System32, and it's notepad.exe. And you will notice that a Notepad window opens up on my computer system. Let's run get-process. You will notice in this list of processes that I've got things like Notepad open and PowerShell is open, along with other common processes running on my computer. Let's stop a process using PowerShell. So we opened up Notepad using PowerShell. Let's close it using PowerShell. We will run stop-process and provide the name parameter of Notepad. And you will notice that Notepad is no longer open in my system tray. So let's start that process again. And I used the up arrow key on my keyboard to actually navigate to a command I had previously executed. That is a nice shortcut to save yourself time from typing a command that you recently executed. So you will see that Notepad opens up again on my computer system. But this time I want to run a wait-process. And I'm going to specify the process name of Notepad. And you'll notice I can't type anything into PowerShell currently. It won't let me. You can hear me clicking away, but it won't let me type anything. However, if I go to the Notepad application and close it, you will see all of the gibberish that I just typed while I was waiting is now showing up in the console, but has not executed.